This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the phone is on, unlocked, and has enough battery. This avoids interruptions. Open Settings now, it's the gray gear icon, and tap Wi-Fi at the top. Doing this creates a live list of networks. You need that list to choose. Once done, the Wi-Fi switch should be green. If it's off, toggle it on. That broadcasts the radio and prompts your phone to scan for nearby networks automatically. You'll now see available networks. Tap the exact name of your network to join. If your network is hidden, pick Other and type the SSID exactly. Capitalization matters. When prompted, enter the Wi-Fi password. Make sure you type symbols and numbers correctly and use Show Password briefly to confirm. Once you tap Join, your phone authenticates with the router. If it connects, you'll see a check mark and the Wi-Fi icon in the status. After connection, verify by loading a website or app. This confirms DNS and routing work. If pages don't load, toggle Wi-Fi off and on to force a fresh scan, and make sure you're within range. Restarting the phone often clears transient issues. If problems persist, forget the network and rejoin, or, as a last resort, reset network settings in Settings General Transfer or Reset to clear corrupted configs. Remember, resetting removes saved passwords.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.